With a busy family constantly on the go, your carpets put up with a lot. And sometimes vacuuming away the visible dirt just isn't enough. To keep your carpets truly clean, Bissell has the answer. The Bissell StainExpert 5 is a deep cleaner for carpets all around your home. Its clever tank-in-tank keeps clean and dirty water separate. Fill the tank with hand-hot water and your favorite shampoo, and simply run the machine over dirty areas. 5 rows of rotating brushes whisk away the stains and embedded dirt from your daily life, and its powerful suction lifts out the dirty water from its wide path. Clean all the way upstairs with a handheld extension hose, and spruce up sofas and upholstery too. The dirt you can see and the dirt you can't are all powerfully cleaned out. With a range of specialized shampoos to choose from, the Bissell StainExpert 5 leaves your home clean and fresh. Bissell, home to a deeper clean.